Hello, my name is Lam, and I'm going to talk about an activity that I participated in 2 years ago. I and three other classmates participated in the pottery making activity. To make a ceramic vase, I need to push a large amount of clay on a spinning table. Then I will press the button to make the table turn, and I will use my hand to adjust the shape of the ceramic vase. Once I have finished making the shape of the vases, I will use a small stick to draw and decorate the vase with a pattern. Hmm, When I when I saw them modeling a ceramic vase, I saw that it wasn't difficult. But once I started doing it, I found it incredibly difficult. Adjusting the rotation speed of the table and creating the shape was very difficult for my team. And finally, my group also got a small and cute black vase. Although my group didn't get a prize after this activity, I still had a new experience and also learned how skillful my hands were. Pottery making activities also helped me coordinate better with my group teammates. This will become an unforgettable memory of my time at school. Hmm. Okay, let's go to the first question. What traditional handcrafts are popular in Vietnam? Yeah, there are many. There are many traditional handcrafts in Vietnam, such as making pottery, right? um, he, knitting or knitting wools, lacquerware or drawing Asian pictures. Now let's go to the next question. Um, what do young people think on traditional handcrafts? Hmm, I'm not sure, but I think some young people think traditional crafts are so bored and because nowadays some young people are so lazy and they don't want to do who don't want to do the handcrafts that requires the patience and the skillful hands. But all the young people think traditional handcrafts interesting, are so interesting because and because discover many they can discover many new things in some traditional handcrafts that they don't know and and they can know they can know their skillful hand skill. Okay, let's go to the next question. Mm, do people in your country send handcrafts as a gift? Mm, I think I'm not sure, but I think only the young children, only young children uh, are only young children send the handwraps as a gift. They they donate this gift from their parents, or their friends. But about the teenagers and others they usually uh, send um, send a gift is by that is that is by money money because they think the hand a gift gift a handicrafts gift is only donated from the young children. So they also buy something to donate, such as the such as books, um, jewelry, ring, gold ring, or gold ring, or some clothes. I think so. Okay, let's go to the last question. What are the benefits of making handicrafts? I think the benefits of making handicrafts is you can use your skillful hands to make anything you want by your imagination, and this will make you creative more creative, and you can dis- discover many new things in this traditional handcrafts, and you can know how to how to make these handcrafts or you can or how skillful your hands were. Okay, this is the last question. Goodbye and see you again.